thank you to the principal people who asked the questions. This is the result of input from John Duvall, Phoenix Ferris, Anthony Lexar, Michaela Widman, and Jennifer Berry, and a few others. So, thank you.
Yes, thank you for making us do this. All right.
And we have a bunch of characters on slips of paper inside this Mandalorian helmet, which is from our coworker Rob's collection. He is a Star Wars fan and a cosplayer. Generously lent us this.
All right, so we have a bunch of these things in here. We'll have Mac go first. Mac, are you ready?
Sure.
All right, and I'm gonna pick 4 Mac. So your first one.
Okay.
Obi-Wan.
Obi-Wan. Okay. So.
And we're picking what tartan the particular Star Wars character would wear. That's what we're trying to do. We think it would
seems
be good.
appropriate. Or
all right.
good.
Okay. So Obi-Wan.
So when I think of Obi-Wan, I think of lighter colors, tans.
Adam, can you bring him up on screen? There you go. There's
there
Obi-Wan.
I am.
There he is.
I'm here now. Hi.
Kuchi.
Well, and so is Obi-Wan.
Yeah.
You just stuck your finger in Obi-Wan's ear.
I did kuchi.
Obi-Wan.
Yes.
I'm gonna go with the the one that I think you had sold to me, and then we sold it, and I ended up selling it off. The Isle of Man. The hunting.
That'd be a good one. Yeah. I can see Isle of Man for Obi-Wan. Nice.
Okay.
All right, Erik.
So we're not going to share our own conclusions?
Nope. We're going one.
All right.
It's luck of the draw.
Okay. I got Han Solo. And I've thought about this before.
Got to bring up Han Solo.
I am. Han Solo. So I went to, there he is. But you can't see the side of his pants. If you know, like his pants in the first movie have the red stripes. So I was going to say District Tartan Angus.
Okay.
Because it's got like the black and the blue, and those are both feel like colors in his costumes throughout the movies. And you got the red for the red stripes on his pants.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Jabba the Hutt. All right.
I had one for that. I want to tell you mine, but go ahead.
See, I don't know the names. This is my problem with Jabba, is that I don't know the names of the tartans that I would want to pick. I would want to pick something from the House of Edgar's like Hebridean collection with the marled threads. I think that would be something good for Jabba.
Mm-hmm.
If you have one, you can.
You know what mine was?
Go.
Angel share. Because I think the colors would be good. You got some golds and greens in there, and it's whiskey, and whiskey was associated with smuggling, and Jabba the Hutt is associated with smugglers.
Okay.
So.
Okay. Very good.
See?
So Angel share. That was my answer. All right, Mac. You are.
Yibi Jedi.
Jarjar Binks.
Oh, Misa. Misa gets to pick this one, huh?
Misa's so happy.
So thinking about his kind of his color palette, I think he's probably up. Him up on the screen now?
Yeah.
There he is. So he's kind of like the brown, reddish color there. So I'm just thinking weathered, something weathered.
Okay.
So my instinct for him was Burnett weathered.
Burnett weathered.
Burnett weathered.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Very good.
I have ideas for all of these, but
of course we do,
because I'm a nerd. But I was going with the Jacobite for him because he's a force of chaos.
Yep, that works too.
And I've actually seen pre-production concept drawings of him, and he was much brighter colored.
Okay.
Fucking dinosaur out of Jurassic Park. He's like bright reds and greens and stuff. So I was like, okay. All right. So I got R2-D2.
I was going to do that one.
You can probably guess which I'm trying to do for that. Yeah, no, I already know. So, you want to hear?
Sure.
Earthrise.
That's exactly the one I would have picked for it.
No, you're both wrong. Napier.
That was my second choice.
Because it's
oh, okay.
Because it's blue and white. And Napier or Hannah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yep. Okay. I liked Earthrise also because he's an astromech. He's designed to go outside ships, right?
Okay.
So, space.
We were on that. Well, actually, connected with you both on that one.
Yeah,
okay. Stormtrooper. McFarlane, black and white.
Any of the black and white
ones?
Any
of the black and white.
I did Menzies. I was thinking Menzies.
I was thinking Scott.
Yeah. All right, Mac. You are Leia, Princess Leia.
All right. So this one, thinking
Ooh.
about it, and there's a lot. She wears a lot of white.
Which costume?
So
Yeah.
I was going off the white. Her hair is brown. Again, I'm thinking something dress weathered. So in this case, I went with, because she's also royalty. Stewart dress weathered. Yep.
Nice. Very good.
Oh,
Very
okay.
good one.
Okay.
Okay. I'll give you that one. That well played, Mac. Well played. All right.
Mine
Erik.
wasn't as good. I had one for Leia, but it sounds good. It's getting stuck in the foam in here. Rob's body sweating inside the helmet here. All right. Padme.
Smells like Mandalorian.
Padme, aka Queen Amidala. I think every time you think of her, you think of the main costume that was in all the stills and stuff. The marketing one, it was the red and gold costume.
Yep,
So I
bright
would probably
gold colors.
I'd do German heritage for the red and the gold in
Okay.
that famous costume. And everybody always also thinks of the dress she has on in the scene where they're having their liaison in the second movie. And she's got the very pastel flowy gown.
Yeah.
So I would do lupus awareness, which is a tartan I mentioned in a TikTok recently.
So you're
'Cause
just
it's a-
doubling up on all
I
the
am.
tartans. This
Because,
is the
because
Erik
she's
Tartan
worth it.
show.
Sorry.
I'm just kidding.
But it's all these pastel colors in that, and it's like, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Nice. All right.
okay. And of course, our picture on the still store is the the Leia
Non
midriff.
one.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So I got Darth Vader. All right. See, I went to for Darth Vader. I went to the Force of an Anakin Skywalker / Darth Vader. So I'm going light and dark balanced. So for that one, I was going to say Menzies. Mine are boring because it's freaking. I'm getting the boring characters. Well, not boring, they're complex, but
The whole Star Wars palette is kind of drab,
it
honestly.
is.
Yeah.
It is.
Except for
It is.
freaking Padme. So.
Yeah. So I could do, you could do something like Lando or something, or like with like a lot of black in it. But I'm trying to think of it as the whole character, as an entire man, as a sentient
Right.
being. What would I pick for Darth
As
Vader?
a burned husk.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So for Anakin / Darth Vader, Menzies, aka Mingus. All right,
Okay.
Mac.
Okay.
You have Boba Fett. See,
Okay.
you gotta get the good ones.
Boba
Damn
Fett?
it.
Boba
Boba
Fett.
Fett. Where?
All right.
So on this one, I was thinking off his what he's wearing, the uniform, the blue or the yellow, the green, the red.
Yep.
I was going Galloway hunting. Muted.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm picking up what you're putting
Muted.
down. I'm picking up what you're
Muted,
putting down.
not ancient?
No, muted.
Yeah.
It's got that kind of
Okay.
the greenish.
Yeah, that green is
Yeah.
can be a little wonky of a
Wonky,
green.
huh?
Wonky, indeed.
Isn't that a monster from Star Wars? Wonky?
A wonky donkey.
It's the one you made the sporn out
I
of.
can't go through the valley. It's full of wonkies. Okay. All right.
All right. We promise it's not going to go on forever. We have one more round after this.
Luke Skywalker.
Luke
My
Skywalker.
main favorite character, actually.
Okay.
And I've thought about this before. Was it? No, I had two thoughts. Yes, Thompson Hunting Modern. Because
Okay.
it's got brown for the one costume, black for the other costume, and it's got both a blue and a red.
Okay.
So you got both colors of lightsabers.
Okay. Very nice.
Mhm.
Well done. Well done.
Mhm.
Well done. All right.
We're getting a lot of cosplay orders.
Yes.
This-
I'm getting Yoda. All right. So for Yoda, I'm going to go with Scottish Odyssey, which is one that Loch Heron does, similar to
Oh,
like
wow.
the Shrek tartan.
okay.
It's got like a couple different shades of green and blue in there for the lightsaber. So Scottish Odyssey for Yoda. Indeed. Scottish Odyssey, I wear you. All right, Mac. Mace Windu.
So for this, I think I'm gonna go Hebridean Collection as well, and the Hermitage Falls.
Okay.
It's got some purple, a very light
There you go.
purple. It's got some brown, some black,
Yep.
some grays.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I was going to say it has to have purple in it. Mace Windu is the
Because
only.
Yep.
Because Samuel Jackson,
Samuel L. Jackson
insisted on
had to
having
have
a purple lightsaber.
purple lightsaber.
Right.
All right.
Right.
All right, you got two left.
Two.
One for you, one for me.
Okay.
You can look in.
Do we have an odd
grab
number?
one. Well,
Okay.
we started with Mac. It's all the way around.
I got Lando Calricean.
Lando.
I'm looking at the picture on the screen.
Looks like stage curtains behind him there. Hey, that's very 70s.
Does he have a Colt 45 in his hand too?
Oh man,
That's very like James Brown-esque
Such a
pose he's got
crime.
there.
What
I feel
happened-
good.
What happened to that guy's career is a crime. I'm sorry. I wanted to see him as Two-Face. That would have rocked. So anyway, Ramsey.
Ramsey? Okay.
It's blue and the gold for the principal costume colors.
That would be
or-
Oakley.
Oakley, yeah.
Or
Yeah,
no,
Oakley. Ramsey is white, is blackened
oh okay.
blue with white, or red and blue, or red and black with white.
What about U.S. Navy?
Okay. No, U.S. Navy has the white stripes. You're thinking Air Force has
I
the
think Air
like,
Force.
tannish
Air Force.
goldish
There
kind
we
of
go.
color. Okay.
Okay.
I get you. I'm picking up what you're putting down. And he flies ships, including the Millennium Falcon.
And gambles and stuff. Yeah.
All right. Last one. Darth Maul. It's got to be Glendor.
Yeah.
Glendor.
I mean, if you're not going to use that
it's
for
so
Vader,
freaking
then-
obvious. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, Glendor for Darth Maul. All right. Boys and girls, thank you for joining us for our Star Wars segment. All right. I know the audio is horrible on that. I don't care.
Because we take this culture very seriously.
Exactly.
All right.
These are not the tartans you're looking for.
These are not the tartans we're looking for.
The tartans you're looking for are found at usakilts.com.
The tartans we want are at usakilts.com.
Exactly.
Exactly.